Good afternoon. This is your real estate market review for the first quarter of 2025 in the Shuswap area of the interior of British Columbia. Let's have a look at the stats machine. Okay, so these are the stats of the Shuswap. The first thing we're going to look at is the absorption. And we had this weird month in December where the absorption was way down. It's 7.46%, but there's an old phrase that says a month doesn't make a market. If you look at the absorption in the last 3 months, it's been in the low end of the balanced range. In other words, just above that 12% mark. The sales are pretty constant. You've got 25, 27, and 31 for January, February, March of 2025. January, February, March of last year was 25, 23, and 34. So similar sales. Basically, the Shuswap is quite flat. We may be seeing and with all of the different zones we look at, if the unrest in the United States and the trade war continues, we are going to see some prices come down, and we'll see absorption get into that single digit area. But for now, the markets are maintaining fairly flat because it's the spring. That's pushing up on the market. Interest rates are coming down. That's pushing up on the market. The negativity in the States is pushing down on the market. It seems that those forces are canceling each other out. The prices seem to be relatively constant. I see that the average price in March is $686,000 in the Shuswap, but you look back here, you can see some sixes in the history, anyways. And we might be seeing, if we see the prices in the sixes in the next quarter as well, that's going to indicate that, yes, we've got a downward surge or a downward path in prices. That's the Shuswap.